In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to solve the issue of an Amazon delivery attempt when your package couldn't be delivered. This is a common situation, and while it can be frustrating, I'll guide you through it step by step so you can resolve it without confusion. Let's start with the first step. Go to Amazon and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, move to the top right corner and click on Returns and Orders to open your order history. Here, you'll see a list of your recent purchases. Find the order that shows a delivery issue and click on it to view more details. Inside the order page, look for the delivery status. If a delivery attempt was made, you'll usually see a message explaining what happened. Sometimes it could be due to no one being available, an incorrect address, or access issues. Take a moment to carefully read this message because it often tells you exactly what went wrong. Next, check your delivery address. Make sure everything is correct, including small details like building numbers, apartment names, or phone numbers. Even a small mistake can cause delivery problems. If everything looks correct, the next step is to track your package. Click on the tracking option provided in your order details. This will show you more information about where your package is currently located and what the delivery service is planning next. In many cases, the courier will automatically try to deliver the package again. If a second attempt is not scheduled, you may see options to reschedule the delivery or choose a different delivery time. Select the option that works best for you. In some situations, you might need to contact the delivery carrier directly. Use the tracking information to find the courier's details and reach out to their support team. Provide your tracking number and explain the issue clearly. If the problem is still not resolved, you can contact Amazon customer support. Go back to your order and look for the Get Help or Contact Us option. Amazon support can check the issue from their side and help you with solutions like rescheduling delivery, updating details, or even replacing the item if necessary. One helpful tip is always to keep your phone nearby after a failed delivery attempt, as drivers sometimes call before arriving again. By following these steps, you can quickly resolve most delivery attempt issues and receive your package without further delays. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to handle an Amazon delivery attempt issue. If you found this helpful, feel free to check out more tutorials. Thanks for watching.